all new. She's called the most beautiful woman on the planet. Who is she? Meet her.
Aishwarya Rai hi Indian actress ania acting pia lama amel thatwang le amit Mengmawi takhi alar pui le a India mai ni lo khovela me che Hmeltha ber ti a soyani.
Our next guest is often called the most beautiful woman in the world as she stars in a new film entitled The Bride.
She's called the most beautiful woman on the planet. Who is she?
Hengba ka hian Miss World 1994 winner alo ni hel boka.
Miss World 1994 is Miss India.
Yeah, Miss India. Totally.
Hemi nu hian Miss World thanto zinga hlo tling ber ni na Lifetime Beauty with a Purpose Award to kumsang ni som pali khan hlan ani le ani. Aishwarya Rai chanchin tlang pui chu ilo ngai thlang u.
Sunburst flowers calling on Mondays over.
He actress chelo tak hi kumsang khajakwa somsari pathum November ni khat khan Mangalore Karnataka India alo pianga apa Krishna Rachi army biologist ania kumsang ni som pasari March ni som pariat khan athi to a anu hi Vrinda ania housewife ani ve thunga umipa Aditya Raya nei boka a u hi merchant navy engineer ani ve thunga anchung kwa enin acting lama background nei lo ma se actress lo tling tak aron ni thei ta thawani. Anchung kwa hian Mumbai anin sona Mangalore piang ma se Mumbai se lian ani a Mumbai hian lekha azir hun chung kha na char chara lekha him hun danga azir son lem lawani azir lai pia hian classical dance le music hi kumnga lai lo zir bokani ano pan lai tang to hian alandan hian mi fakalo in mitam tak duom ti alo hlo thin to a ama hi chuan kamit mengwang mo kasam ukwang po hi ani mai thayati a college hakal lai hian an professor pakhat chuan magazine fashion feature apply turana lauti hiala chu pomin magazine then khatan photojournalism chu lauti chhawtana ti chuan a modeling bulchan na chu aloni ta dera college kalma se atipa zela architect ni atum wangin Rachana Sansat Academy of Architecture a in enrolla ma se a modeling career rangai to azo ka wangin na bansana modeling lama chuan a in pumpek ta zoka atizela kumsang khajakwa somkwa pakhat khan Fort Worth sai International Supermodel Contest a telin winner aloni a Vogue American edition a hiala lo langani Pepsi tan Mahima le Amir Khan tenen advertisement anti chu alar pui hlea hi am Sanjana dialogue lai tak phei hi chu alar hlea ama po alar tir viawani.
That must be Sanju.
Sanju?
Hi, I'm Sanjana. Got another Pepsi?
Sure.
Chutia modeling lam anti zel chu kumsang khajakwa somkwa pali khan Miss India atelea Susmita Sen chu Miss India ania heta hian Aishwarya hi second place a hiala oma hewang hian Miss World hemikum tho kumsang khajakwa somkwa palia an buat saya chuan Miss India runner up ani angin India ava represent a winner ani ta hialani
Is Miss India.
Yeah, Miss India. Totally. Ziet er prachtig.
Miss World ni chia chu India pheichon alar ema athil ti le anun chu mi zongjong enanita a modeling po ati chhun zom zela Miss World ni atanga kumthum na a acting ati tran beta a film chan masak ber hi kumsang khajakwa somkwa pasaria Tamil film Iruvar ti ania he film hi hlotling viawa Belgrade International Film Festival a Best Film Award alo dongani Bollywood debut hi kumsang khajakwa somkwa pasari tho hiana nei le hala Bollywood movie chan masak ber hi Aur Pyar Ho Gaya ti ania Bobby Deol ne nan changani achang chhauzela a film chana chuan Devdas hi alar hlea Madhuri le SRK te ne na an chanani a Aishwarya hian achan that ema wangin Filmfare Award Best Actress adonga he film hi heti lai phei chuan alar ber polani a Bollywood pelin Fransa Cannes Film Festival a screen hialani a Bollywood film Cannes Film Festival thleng masaberani a film chan zong zong te hi soi vek se na ni lawa kumsang ni parukhan dhum chuwa aron chan le chuan devdas nuwa film chan hlotling lian thamle masaber ani kumsang ni pasari khan masaberatan Hollywood film The Last Legend tia chuan alo changa hengba ka hian Hollywood movie Bride and Prejudice 2004 Mistress of Spice 2005 Provoke 2006 The Pink Panther 2 2009 ate alo chang to a film tam tak thei hil thei lo tura chang nuala Indian actress Shriat reng to turani a film chan tharber chu kumsang ni sompariat fanei khan ti ani a film ma chop ta chu a pasal Abhishek Bachchan ne na an chan na Gulab Jamun ti ani kumin kumsang ni som ni top lama release tum hi ani heba ka hian poni in selvan tia chang meka kumsang ni som ni pakhata release an tum bokani fit nga le inche saria sang ani Cannes Film Festival hi Cannes kumtin red carpet te nen nei thin ani khovel puma film sang le documentaries te an preview na mun ani milar sang kalkhom na mun film festival ani Aishwarya hi Indian actress singa Cannes Film Festival jury member ni thei masaber ani Paul kwale kani lain pencil fakna alo lang to Camlin pencil advertisement alo lang ani Netherlands QK Hof Garden pangpar pakhat ming hi Aishwarya ming choya anlo phwa ani article ama chanjin jian reng hi tun thleng hian alada thathe uvekani sana hi angai na emema collect nem le boka Britain Aishwarya inspired hian Barbie an siam chwaka limited edition ani anlon chatanga minute rei lote ya shal zo vekani star thopui to te zinga adule thopui no amati berchu Rajnikant ani Raja Hindustani Changtur Khan so maloni ma se Miss India contest Teldon Wang Khan alo nolani lekhabu chiar hi angai na ve ema ahun ola chuan lekhabu history lam hi chiar thin khovela show and number Paul Oprah Winfrey show Indian langthei masaber ani Salman Khan nen po hian alo in dei thina ma se Salman Khan hi chemoi lawin kuthiala thak thin ni an soya an in then ta Bollywood actor tho Amitabh Bachchan fapa ni bok Abhishek Bachchan nen kumsang ni pasari April ni som ni khan an in neya fanu aradia an nei ani Abhishek nen ani nei nuwa po Oprah Winfrey so anu pa in lang le khovela nu pa soi hlo le larber ti hialan ni le Angelina Jolie le Brad Pitt nu pa ai po alar ti soi hialan ni
all the way from Mumbai, India. Welcome Aishwarya Rai Bachchan and Abhishek Bachchan. But we couldn't have the most famous couple in the world fly all the way here from India.